Hello everyone, today I'm show you about how to make a sweet and spicy tamarind. For ingredient I have tamarind. Yes, I have just picked up from the tamarind tree, and these all tamarind. They are ripe. And at first I have to peel the tamarind first. Peel it like this. Peel it like this. Peel until them all. Peel one by one until all. For this tamarind, it tastes sour. So I have to add some ingredient to make it become a delicious tamarind. Big like that. In countryside, for this season, there are many tamarind trees. And it's not expensive. To buy it if you want to buy it from the market. And for tamarind, we can use it to make a sour soup. To make a tamarind bell. Tamarind juice, and also to make a sweet also. Okay, after I peel them already, now I have to use some ingredients such as chili, white sugar, and also salt, to get them the best flavor. So now I add chili and salt and also white sugar, and chicken powder, and then I mix that ingredient together. And now I add tamarind inside. Yes, make them like this, until it's smooth. So if you like a spicy taste, you can add chili. But for the tamarind, the taste, we need to have a little bit sweet, sour, and a bit spicy also. Okay, that's all for my sweet and sour tamarind. Okay, everyone, how do you think for this recipe? Thank you so much for your watching my video, and thank you for your like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. See you in next video. Goodbye and good luck to everyone.